we've now designed to accommodate that really tall area. As we all know, bathrooms can get really cluttered. Having all sorts of items all over the countertop, it gets very disheveled. What I wanted to do here was to create some serenity in my space. We are in our restrooms all of the time. We use things all day long here. So what I did was I created a space that was useful to how I use this area. So when I am in my bathroom, I like to stand to one side and use these items, and then I'm easily able to just pull them and push them in. Again, they come completely out to you, which is a really nice benefit. I'm not having to struggle to find things that are in the back there. On the bottom here, the same case. I have a few items that are taller, so we've created a structure where we have some taller items on the bottom. A lot of us also have areas where we have to store items that are very vertical. So you'll notice in some areas what we've done is we've now designed to accommodate that really tall area by not putting an upper shelf in there. A lot of us only have the bottom shelf in our bathroom cabinets. So by adding levels, it really adds to the functionality and the ease of use.